It's good to see you guys again. Into this video, I'm back with part 2 of the meme stocks versus the index fund. They're still fighting it out for the number one spot. And I want to show you guys a table so I can show you where our 10 grand went and how many shares we were able to buy with a week ago when I first started this fight between the meme stocks and the index fund, which has been a lot of fun for me to follow and put the tables together and see who's the winner and who's the losers. And it's been pretty interesting. It's nothing really surprising that what was going to happen. I think I was pretty sure who was going to be top winners for the second week of it. And this video is just to show you guys that if it is a good idea to follow any social media advice, if it's a good idea to follow any news, Wall Street Journal, because they talk about these meme stocks too, and they praise the winners and all that. So I just want to show you guys if it's really a good idea to follow any of the social media or media, to show you the story of behind it, what really happens to real investors once they invest. Because the real winners are only the people who invested in the beginning, who are pumping this stock, and then they're dumping in once everybody gets excited. All the regular Joes like you and me gets. Welcome to SimpleChew. I'm your host, Sank. And really quickly, I'm just going to show you guys the table. This table is going to be here for the rest of the video. And then I'm going to show you also the index fund table. So I just want to break it down for you guys. And clearly, as you can see from the table, the biggest losers was Torchlight. We were able to buy 1,429 shares with our 10 grand for $7. And then on week 2, which this was Tuesday of July 5th, it was when I did week 2. It was $4.95, getting us to the $7,073.55, making us the biggest loser of the whole meme stock. And not even comparing what happened with the index fund, just with the meme stock is the biggest loser. And we're in the not the biggest loser, but still a loser, is BlackBerry with $9,004.22. It just went less of a percentage down, which is still losing money. So if we actually calculate how much money we have now compared to when we started with the 50 grand, it's kind of crazy to think about. But we'll see right now where we at. So when we invested the 50 grand, we only have $41,571.09. That's our total right now out of the 50 grand. That was a loss of $8,428.91. So it's a big chunk of our net worth. Now when we switch to the index fund, the index funds table, and we invested our 10 grand on each index, we can see how much shares we have. So a lot of these index funds, as you can see, they're pretty expensive per share. Like nobody really has $430 just laying around at one share. Even when I put in 10 grand, I was only able to buy 24. Compare if I bought Torchlight, I was able to buy 1,400. So it could be really frustrating if you think about the price of the index funds. Some of them, like the Fidelity one, is pretty reasonable. For $15, got 6, and I got 600 shares. So it might feel good that you have more shares, but the thing is the quality of the shares that you're buying. Is the quality of the index fund that you're buying. The good news is that if you invested a week ago on these index funds, you're in great shape. And if I do the sum right now of these, because let's say we put 50 grand on all of them, we are $51,775.44, which is $1,700 gain, unrealized gain, because we haven't sold yet, which is unbelievable compared to the 8 grand that we lost with the meme stocks. You can't find money like this, and in a week's worth, you're getting $1,700 on index funds, but at the same time, let's say somebody threw 50 grand on meme stocks, you 8 grand down. And index fund is the most passive way to make investing and making money in the long run. That's the thing that a lot of people don't want to hear. It takes time, it takes patience, but everything you want to do is going to take time. If you want to open a business, it's going to have to take time, hard work. You have to be actively involved. And this fund, you don't even have to be that. You don't even have to look at it. My portfolio is mostly index funds, and I don't really even look at it every day. I look at it like once a week, sometimes look at it once a month. Or if I see like somebody says something, oh, the stock market is down, I would take a look just to see what the hell's going on. Or if I need to sell things because I want to buy whatever, I want to go on vacation or whatever, I want to sell some stock. That's the only reason I really go into my portfolio. Other than that, I just let it be. I just keep doing my putting money hands free. Like I set up a automated system where I don't even have to look or buy the index funds. I just do it. The system just does it for me. I do the same thing with all my dividends. Any dividends that I get, I just reinvest them. I don't even send them to my checking account. I just leave it in my portfolio and reinvest it. That's how compound interest works. Once you start reinvesting your whatever your interest gains you got and your dividends, just like magic from that. So you can see the evidence is pretty solid on week 2 that index fund is pretty. I'm really confident it's gonna be the winner at the end of the day. And I understand that I'm doing this pretty late to the game. If you guys have any meme stocks that you want me to reinvest, it's early, you want me to invest in, I gladly would change the meme stocks area and reinvest another 10 grand on each. We can compare it again with this index fund. But I think that I'm just going to continue for now. If nobody says anything, I'm just going to continue with these meme stocks to see if they go all the way, lose all their value, or they go even lower, or they might blow up the meme stocks. I know that the index fund is going to be pretty solid. It's going to be really, the gain is going to be slow but steady. But the losses also if there's any losses, it's going to be also slow and steady down. It's not going to be like a huge drop or a huge jump, but that's what I want, and that's how investment works. Is slowly gaining value and not panicking when the market all over the place. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this type of videos, I suggest you to subscribe. Also like the video because it helped me a lot. And if you think a friend would help them with this, I recommend you to share it with them. And remember, guys, to always keep it simple.